Hi guys, this is Winnie from Data. Well, thanks for all of you to watch my video. Today I want to introduce our hot sale product, HDMI cable for you. But before this, I want to introduce our company. Our company Data was founded in 2000 and we have almost 20 years experience in the video accessories equipment. Most of products are certificated by CE and ROS. As you know, I want to introduce you guys the HDMI cable today. Also, this HDMI cable is certificated by CE, so don't need to worry about the quality. Well, let's start with the cable. At first you can see this HDMI cable. We have our own design for the connector, so it's very different between the normal HDMI cable in the market. And also we use the 24K golden plastic interface for this, so it looks like more better, right? And also this HDMI cable support HDMI 2.0 version, so the resolution can up to 4K 16 Hz. Also, it can also support 1080 if your monitor or TV need this, you can try this one. Well, also you can see we have the PVC code, and you can like bonding like this and don't need to worry about the quality. And also we have like 3-layer shielding. It can protect your signal very well. Also for the packing, we use the poly bag, and it's like blue and white color, they just like mix up, so I think it's pretty like our logo. And also we support OEM services. If you want to capture your logo on the product or in the package, you can contact us anytime. Okay, just come here to Go for Winnie. Okay, well, see you next time. Bye.